Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and let's quickly cover apecoin. So apecoin land is gonna be coming in pretty quickly, and let's see what's going on with apecoin. Okay, so you can see that we had this beautiful pump towards the upside, and if you go in the 4 hourly time frame, this pattern it was creating in the 4 hourly was pretty beautiful actually. This was the resistance actually. It was taking a form, is still trying to take a form of a bullish head and shoulder pattern. But let's see what happens, because if it breaks this level of support, okay, which is this is basically the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder in formation. Okay, if it can do something like this, then we can have a good, formation of a head and shoulder pattern, and we have a price target towards the upside wherever the breakout is going to be. If it breaks up, $31.73. If it breaks towards the downside, obviously it's coming back to the $16 levels. Okay, so this is what's going on in the short term, but let's take a look at it in bigger scenario right now. Okay, if you go in the daily time frame, you can see with the apecoin it created this support level for itself. Okay, so we have to respect the support and resistance areas. That tells us the story, in my opinion. And then we had this resistance area. Okay, you can see this was the resistance. Okay, we all have our, we I mean, look at this. Okay, so we had this area of resistance, and then resistance, we broke this, went towards the upside. Okay, so we are falling back to this support level at the moment. Okay, now if you go in the 4 hourly time frame, you can see this is where the previous support was, where the head formation came into being. Okay, now if we can hold this uh, pattern. Okay, this pattern that is making, let's go in the 3 hourly actually. Okay, this pattern, head and shoulder pattern, where this is the neckline, this is the support line. Okay, so if we can hold this $21 level, and if it doesn't break it, this can take a form of a head and shoulder pattern. Now, if it does come down, okay, if it does come down and hits this support, used to be resistance, and builds the support level here, that's still a good thing. Okay, because if it comes here, goes up, comes here, we can create a double bottom. So anything can happen, because it's a very volatile situation for apecoin at the moment. Okay, now if we go back in the daily time frame, actually let's go back into 4 hourly, you could also see what's going on. Okay, here you can just create this beautiful support level right over here. Actually, I would say that this support level could be created right over here. Okay, this is the support, and then this is the resistance. So it's making somewhat of a upwards channel formation. Okay, where the price is just going support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, something like this. Okay, so it's trying to, create all these patterns at the moment, but you have to keep an eye on the RSI. Okay, this is very important, because you can see right over here, we hit this level, we were right over here. We hit this level, we were right over here. So what is this? This is a bearish divergence that took place. Okay, that's why you have this drastic pulse towards the downside, because it's making higher high formation in the price action, and the RSI is it was making a constant, hitting the constant resistance areas. Okay, so this is why the price went down. Another way you could look at this, right over here. Okay, you could look at this in this manner. Okay, you can see this bearish divergence that took place as well. Okay, within this pattern. Okay, and then the price had to come down. Okay, because it couldn't sustain the momentum, in the price. Okay, because the RSI was telling us something different. The price came down. Okay, and it held support at the 55 moving average. Now, same way over here. This is a bearish divergence that's taking place, okay, right over here as well. That's why we couldn't break the neckline of the head and shoulder at the moment. Okay, I'm not saying the pattern is invalid at the moment. It's still valid, because it hasn't broken the $21 level. Okay, so You can see bearish divergence, price is coming down, the price was going up here, and the momentum was coming down. Okay, exactly the same way what happened here. But at the meantime, we are creating this channel formation also. Okay, now if you break this level of support for this channel, obviously then the price is going to come down. Okay, but if you maintain to hold this channel, expect something, the movement might happen in this channel formation in my viewpoint. And obviously if you go and look at it a little bit closer now, you can see where the 20 moving average is. Okay, you can see whenever it's above, it's respecting the price. You can see where this 55 moving average is. So this channel formation is in the 4 hourly time frame, it's respecting these moving averages. Okay, so this, if you break this 20, obviously you're going to go and hit the 55 moving average where the support line is now. Okay, if you hold the 20, okay, and you go towards the upside, obviously you're going to complete this bullish head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and now let's quickly see something. And if we measure it now, if the breakout happens here, about $30 to $31, if it breaks out, okay, or if it finds support here, then that's a different story. But if it breaks out and go in the daily time frame, you can see where the 20 moving average is, exactly right on the dot. Okay, so then it will come and respect the 20 moving average in the daily time frame. Okay, so keep an eye on this. Goes down $16 where the 20 moving averages, breaks towards the upside, then wherever the breakout point is, because you can see the line is a little bit slanted, then you can see wherever that goes. Okay, but this is going to be the indication if you go towards the upside. But same way, we have a bearish divergence. As soon as you break this point of this over here, you break this resistance line, then that means you have broken the here. You have broken this area of resistance right over there. Okay, so hopefully this brought you some information for apecoin. At the same time, okay, let me just show you something else as well. Take this off. You measure this whole move. Okay, you can see when we measure the whole move, as soon as we broke the 0.786 level, we rallied towards the upside to the all-time highs. Okay, so now bringing that into attention, we can measure this move. I told you before where the 0.618 level was sitting over here. It came, found support, and then rallied towards the upside. Now, if we can hold this level, if it comes back, that's great. If we break this level, obviously it's going to come down to the 0.5 level. Okay. Now, same way, if we break the, let me show you. Same way, if we break the support point of the head and shoulder pattern, then obviously you can see, let's see in the daily time frame, you can see where the 0.5 level is sitting and where there's 20 moving averages. Okay, so this makes perfect sense because usually when you have a run like that, they always come back to retrace these levels over here. Okay, so that's the whole point of the Fibonacci. And if it does break towards the upside, obviously land sales are going insane. Okay, so it might go somewhere over there to the where is it? Yeah, to the 31 $31 level, wherever the breakout is. You could also measure the move like that. Yeah, to the 1.618 area at $31.40 exactly. So you get the point. Okay guys, this is it for now. Hopefully this video brought you some information and knowledge. And I'm not a financial advisor, I just do this for fun. And if you're liking this kind of content, you want me to keep making it, just like the video, subscribe to my channel for the YouTube algorithm. And thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.